So the other day we did the review of the Sony ULT Power Sound, what was it called? The ULT Field 1, which was their like Bluetooth speaker, which the sound actually really good. I was very impressed with it for such a little speaker of that, of that size, little speaker of that size, And today we're looking at the Sony ULT Power Sound ULTware. This is their headphones. Again, powerful bass with the Alt button if you want it. This does have noise canceling, a maximum of 30 hours of battery life, which is pretty sweet. It says with the ends noise canceling on, what is it? ×2. I'm not sure what that means. X2, it means something. Maybe you get less. I don't 100% sure. Now this one too, just so you guys know, if you go back to the other speaker, they say something like 25 hours, but I believe it's 25 hours at 25%. That's not right. So they 12-hour battery life, but I think it's based on 25% volume. So just kind of be aware of that. They're probably doing something similar here. But you know what? If you don't feel like blowing your eardrums out, then you can get lots of listening time. It comes with a case, it looks like, your cable. So if you want to hardwire it, right there, and a charging cable. Nice box. Gotta love the box. And let's just crack that open. Again, I don't know how much these cost. They were just sent to us by Sony. So we are going to take a look-see, because I have a feeling these are going to be awesome, and these may end up being my new editing headphones, because I like to wear headphones on occasion when I'm editing, especially if somebody else is in the area and they need quiet and I am not quiet, Oh, I got that upside down. Anyways, let's just Sony. So basically, you can, this QR code, it allows you to go to like the user manual. You're going to want to turn them on, pair them, and you're good to go. Again, you have some extra stuff in there, 360 reality audio service for probably like a month or something, and then some manuals and your warranty. So all kinds of good stuff. There is the case, and I like the fact that the case isn't crazy large, which is also excellent. And I also like the fact that I put my phone somewhere, but I don't know where. Okay. Gray, I like it. There is your 1/8 inch or 3.5 millimeter cable if you want to hardwire them. And of course, there is your tiny USB-A to USB-C. Again, I would love to see those be longer, but companies are doing that. And I like that they have this little cardboard there that kind of shows you this is how you're supposed to place these, just in case you can't figure out how to get them back in there. Looking at them, they're light. I will say these are light. They feel super light. So you got your left side, your right side. Make sure I got them on the right way. Are these over ears? Yeah, over ears. On this side, you're going to have your noise canceling button, your power button, your ultimate button, your USB for charging, and of course your 1/8 inch or 3.5 millimeter for a direct connection if you don't want to have them Bluetooth connected. And I'm guessing here probably microphones would be my guess. So let's put them on and figure out where that power button is right there, because if not, I'll end up putting them on and I can't. So they seal really well, and because they're light, which is good. Now, you will notice they didn't have to open up very much for me. So if you do have a small head, I would say just kind of be aware. Like they do fit. They fit well for me as an adult head, but because they didn't open up a lot, I would say that if you have a small head, they'll fit big just in this area, possibly. But yeah, they already got a great seal on them. Now, button-wise, where did I have that button? Was it this one? Yep. On they come. Pairing. Hold on. You're getting ahead of me. You're getting ahead of me. I'm trying to do pairing here. Hold on. Go to the bottom and see if we can find them. ULTware. Popped right up, which is excellent. I think they have the noise canceling on already, because they are like, it feels like the air is sucked out of your head. Is what it feels like. Now I'm curious, where is that Where is that button? What does this say? Upgrade your headphones. Oh, it's got, see, the headphone thing came up already. Look at that. That's cool because I have the app. So upgrade your Sony headphones, then ask Alexa to play your favorite song. Really? Agree and continue. Connecting. This will override. Yeah, yeah. Your device is ready to use with Alexa. What? What? And then I think if you open up the Sony headphones app here, yeah, see it has them, right? So you can, oops, click on them. I wonder if there's any, yeah, don't care, ultimate wear, okay, okay, automatically switching at my places. This is really cool with Sony with their headphones. They have all this like location services and stuff that you can enable, which is super cool. I don't know why it's not signing me in. It could be the fact that I'm just down in the basement and I don't have a great internet connection. So sign in with Sony account. Yes, yes, yes. Trying. Sign in with passkey. Yes. Continue. Yes. Everything's coming together. And you are signed in. All right. Back to the app. Get started. Enable. Yep. Do it. Get started. Oh, it's thinking. Yep. I'm wondering, it has all this 360 audio stuff too, which is start what complete. We can accurately reproduce the best sound field for you by analyzing the shape of your ears. Yeah. See here. Yeah. Let's see. I don't care about this stuff. Optimize music services. I kind of, is that actually going to do it? Yep. No, that's 360 audio. I'll say later. Yeah. Setup is complete. Very cool. So you want the app for sure. It's not that you have to, but I would recommend it. When you go in here, you'll have your status. You have your sound, so you can set all the adaptive sound controls and equalizers and all kinds of crazy stuff. This is your voice assistant, right? Touch sensor panels. So much stuff in the app. Like I have a bunch of their earbuds, and those work fantastic as well. So total use time. I'm wondering if they have, version 10 point blah, 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 update. Is that for these? Maybe. Solved, needs solving. So I may have to do a firmware update. Possibly, yeah, newly released for this. Oh, that's for newly supported. Oh, it's just the for this. So my guess is if I had a firmware update, it would be here. If you tap on this, right? So you could click on the version. I'm guessing it's the current one. Cool. Anyways, let's go to music and listen to something. And I have a feeling it's going to be awesome. So I'm going to listen to this one. No, well, actually, sure. Now, this is normal, and I'll be honest with you, it already sounds good in normal. But there is this big button. I just got to find it, right? It's back here. Right back here. If you tap on it. And then ultimate, ultra, I don't know what it's called. Alt. You can call it whatever you want. It definitely gets way more bassy, right? Okay, that's cool. Let's do this because I want a song that's got some punch to it. Blinding light, ready? Holy bass. That would almost be too much bass for me, but it's pretty good, right? Yeah. That is bassy for sure. And then there's got to be a turn it off. Because even when they're off, this song has pretty good bass. Like I would be like, yeah, that's lots of bass. But then you turn that on, and it's like over the top bass. But it doesn't have much distortion, which is really good. Okay, that's really good. So let's listen to something more rocky. All right, let's go to some. I'm going to some Nickelback because I like Nickelback. Burn it to the ground. Here we go. Ready? With all the bass. Oh, the bass is awesome. It's so awesome. And it's not like it doesn't go so. It's loud, but it doesn't go so loud that you're like, oh, that's gonna make my ears bleed. Okay, the sound is really good. Those are fantastic. So good. Turn those off. Yep. I may bring these with me on my trip. I may bring both of these with me on my trip. And I may be back from my trip when you guys see this already. But those are win for sure. All right, guys, these are the new Sony ULT Power Sound. What are they called? Altwares. Yeah, I like those a lot. And I got matching grays. Yeah, matching grays, speaker and headphones. Super cool. Anyways, I'll leave links down below if you guys are interested because these things rock. And we'll see you guys next video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'm out. Later.